Okay, today is our last day of our blood spatter unit, and then we'll be going on to skeletal and body stuff. So, hopefully we were able to get stuff done yesterday with the video and stuff. I know that case B you can't get into, but I know you can get into case A, and you can try and figure out what actually happened. Today we're going to finish up blood spatter part A, and anything else that you need to get done, because this won't take the whole period. So make sure you finish up this unit, get everything done. If you haven't finished up stuff in the other units, please get them done so we can get them in. The end of the term is actually coming down pretty fast on us. I believe it's March. March 17th is the last day that I'll accept stuff from you. It's that Friday of that week that's the end of the term. So I think we actually get that Friday off, you get the Thursday before. So make sure you're ready to do that. So what we're going to do is part A, as we go back into lab. What we're going to be doing is presumptive testing. And so what we're going to be doing is going back, and you will have case A, B, and C that you're going to do presumptive testing on. And they're set up back there. You'll also have positive blood that you're going to test and a negative blood stain that you're going to test. You're also going to need to practice how to collect blood from a dried stain and from a wet stain. And they're different. So back there I have Kastle-Meyer kits set up in little baskets for you. In the Kastle-Meyer kit I've got some distilled water. There's also Q-tips back there. Now, if we were doing a real crime scene, the Q-tips would be sterilized. You have to break the seal and get into them and stuff like that. We're not that high tech. We're just going to use Q-tips, okay? So you're going to grab a Q-tip, several of them probably. And the first thing I would have you do is try the positive and negative blood. Now, I'm hoping this will work. I've got pig blood mixed in some of the blood that I made, and cow blood mixed in some of it. Pig blood is most like human blood. Okay, so you're going to take, and there are some sets up here that say blood positive and blood negative. So there's 2 blood positives, 1 cow and 1 pig. And what you're going to do is, by the time you get back there, there should be some wet spots on there, and there should be some dry spots on there. So you're going to practice collecting from both. You want to use the Q-tip in the wet just to get enough on it that it will dry quickly. And then you want to set it up on another Q-tip or something so that it's not hitting the ground, so that it can dry. Because when you move from a crime scene, you don't want to take wet things with you because they can mold, they can pick up a lot more stuff, so you want to have it dry. So either you put another Q-tip under it to prop it up, whatever you can do, just to practice collecting that. For a dried one, you're going to take your Q-tip and you're going to put a little drop of distilled water on it, and then you're going to rub it around in the dry area, and then you're going to label it. Now, wherever you take your sample on the case, so when you get to the case study, so here I am at case A, and there's spots, and I decide to take a specific spot. I want you to take, normally we would take a ruler and we would put it alongside there, and we'd take a picture of it, and then we would, of course, label it. This is my number 1 spot, and then I would circle it, and I would take that spot. If it's dry, I take it with distilled water and I'd wipe over. Since we don't have the rulers, I still want you, when you get to the case, I've done several different kinds of blood spatter. I want you to tell me what kind of blood spatter it is. Second, I want you to tell me velocity. Then I want you to circle what dot you're going to take, what blood thing you're going to take, and then I want you to do the presumptive test on it. That way nobody else tries to take the same spot you took, okay, on that crime scene, because there's going to be several processing during the day. And if you'd already taken it, it's hard to take it again. Okay? So by the end of the day, you should have at least 5 Q-tips that you've tested with the Kastle-Meyer test. Hopefully you'll follow your instructions in your manual in the very front there that tells you step by step how to do Kastle-Meyer. If it were me, I would go through and I would collect all the samples. I would have my desk where it is back there because I've got some areas set up for doing Kastle-Meyer tests. And I would just go and collect and I would put it at that station. Label it, there's some tape up front, however you want to do it, but make sure you get all of them tested. Any questions? Okay, then the rest of the time is yours. I would wear gloves just because I do have real blood back there and who knows what's in it. And I'm hoping this test works because, yeah, this is the first time for this lab. And I sort of buried it myself.